Analytics has the one of the options here. One of the feature that we provide is to list out all the dashboards that your team will be building at one place, and also we provide a place to explore the data that has been connected, and also schedule reports. These reports are not only related to dashboards, these can be also your data extracts that you can schedule to your team members, that every on a specific day at specific time they will be notified by email about the status of this dashboards or status of the data reports. And finally, the third-party integrations or the third-party tools that we'll discuss. So we'll start with the BI dashboard. So how Probaito AI works, similarly to yesterday's discussion, here we also have the approval flow. If a user wants to start, who actually wants to start working or building dashboards on top of the available data, we make sure that it also goes to the approval flow where he or she need to request a dashboard to be built on any use case. We'll carry out yesterday's example of insurance prediction problem. And for specific use case, you'll have to select the data, and on that he have to fill the information what exactly that's what he wants to build, he or she wants to build, and then request to the approver. So that now the business people or the managers, now they will go through the same process where they will be now looking into the request once that has been put into the workflow. And for a specific request, he or she can actually approve it. Uh, for example, he or she can directly approve looking the informations, and once it is approved, now the user as well as the approver will be notified, okay, the request has been approved, and someone can now start building dashboards on top of it. So once any request for building a dashboard is approved, he or she needs to configure uh, or provide the necessary information of the dashboard that has been built. So he or she can actually configure and put the information directly from here in the second level page, or can also provide the URL of the dashboard that has been built. Now for building dashboards, we provide a platform which can be directly accessed from our portal itself. Now we have connected a Superset, which is also a dashboard building tool, where your users or your BI analysts will be working on this platform, uh, building dashboards, building charts of all the data sources which has been approved and connected. And once these are built here, can be directly again accessed from the platform, so that to all the resources that has been built into various platforms or various tools. So it's not only limited that the team will be only working on Superset. So Superset is a tool that we have configured and put with Provider AI. Your team might already be working in some other tool as well, but still they can still configure to Provider AI and connect the proper URL to the dashboard. So it makes easier, it helps save time as well to list out all the dashboards built by the team on a specific business problem or a specific use case. So once a dashboard has been built and configured and updated in the platform, uh, at any moment, any user, whoever has got access to the platform, can check the dashboard that has been built by the team, and this also gets updated with the data being like in any next moment, if the data gets updated or a new set of data also being uploaded from the platform to the platform, the dashboard will also get updated. So it's a very easier way for the business owners to track down the status of the business problems and how that's actually responding by looking into the dashboard that has been built. So you can activate or deactivate the dashboards depending on the current status of the data that has been working. Like if anyways, if in any case the data is like idle and no one is actually working on that, or the dashboard doesn't make sense, you don't need to even remove it. You can still deactivate it from the platform, and it will not be accessible to others as well. Now, this is all around building dashboards in the tool that we have provided or connected to the platform, and also tracking all the assets in the same place called BI dashboard.